Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kom shibanta kajing penkre bat kajing pediang lupa ya kesni jong kajing wan long breu ukuan bamarwe jong ublei syagani ke partai kabadai ke arpusan terek unok pra haka arpusau terek mentau naiwing arjakar kandai ki samla pule ki basyong basa a hostel ha Stephanie Girls Hostel ha bari 2 Riboy District ringkat bat kinong penya jong ni hostel kila pelong ya ke pre Christmas celebration hagani kesni kom basau pongot ki samla kantai na ki jai ban reu per ki basa hagani ke hostel ki bapule ha RIST bat USTM khana para ringkat kejiran lang kitrai ke hostel bakun top ya ke kong Risha Kharbi Kheo bak ke khon jongka ke kong Stephanie Kharbi Kheo kila pelong ya kini kijing rakhe hakani kijing rakhe lupa ya ke Christmas ki samla pule kila penriam penbet penbiang ru de kirong kirop ringkat ke singot jong khulung Jesus Christ ke baki penpau ya kijing wan long breu ukhon blai jakani ke perthai hakani kijan miet ki samla klai simentaru hakajing ya Carol ringkat kijing ruai kijing shat bala penpho penpheng susu hakani kijing rakhe da kijing ya ai sobha markeliang.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bells, jingle bells rock. Jingle bells chiming, jingle bells rock. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bells Square. In the frosty air.
Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am, Stephanie just asked us more than.
Well, thank you very much, and I wish you all a very best of luck for your exams, for your better future, and be good. Okay? Thank you. Thank you.
This is my first stay in Stephanie Hostel, but I feel like it's a homely stay, and like my friends and all, every one of them are very friendly, and the place is very like this place. We are far from this Guwahati town, but still, like we feel like we are at home only, and like it's very nice to stay here. I feel good, and celebrating pre-Christmas together. It's like celebrating together the birth of the Christ in advance. Feel so blessed to be this part of this family. I just want to say everyone like be happy and like I wish everyone a successful life and everyone a Merry Christmas, and I hope you all celebrate with your family and loved ones at home.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. On the kids we go, laughing all the way. Bells on the ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing his sleighing song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. There is born a child, Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and never pining till He appeared, and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voice.
Ikenak dan senutenan kemen dah kilalai yang ni Malaysia yang dah kajing sup kemen dah kajing senutenan iburam yang iru ngarang ngai yaki kum kikun nasneng ring sumari kumlaki jong kikun
Kwa ba kinong kikna iba shai la sisi anda kilami nang nina po hostel kinong kikna kiba pau hakaliang kijing puli jongki namata ka kano ka kam bakile ruken tenga kwa bakin puli kot bah manta kam tam gade ka for exam jongki kwa bakin puli kot bah dakilet nang ni runga kwa sa sisin bakin mau be yengi mo bangilong kumki family jongki